Hi, welcome to our video. Today we're going to demonstrate this Timesaver wet abrasive finishing machine. This is a model 960 1MW. 960 being the width and length of the belt. It's a 9-inch wide belt. The W stands for wet. It's a wet-based machine, like I already said. You can see inside, there's not a lot to see. The belt drive, because it's a wet machine, it has two spray bars from the coolant tank, which is in the base of the machine. It has a pump, spray on your parts while you're running them through. It's got some guide rollers that spin also. We're going to start it up in a minute. I just want to tell you about it first so you can hear me. Won't run if the door's not closed. The capacity of it, of course, you can run the roller right up into the belt if you needed to, as thin as you wanted to go. The maximum openings is 3 inches on this machine. You open and close it with the handle that turns around. The main abrasive motor is 5 horsepower. This machine is currently wired for 240 volts. These are the main controls. It has its own main control panel. Turn the power on. Tells you that the controls are on. Turn the head on. The feed roller. It's all the way down at its lowest speed. It is a variable speed. And that's the maximum speed right there. Set your belt tracking. There's a little knob here on the side that adjusts the top drum so you can set the belt tracking. We have it set in the middle, which is where it'll stay. This lever flips up to take the tension off the belt to change your belt. The coolant pump I was speaking of is down here in the base. The one hose coming off of it is for the 2 spray bars I showed you. The other hose is for your actual wash down hose. So when you're done using the machine for the day, you can open the door and actually rinse it out on the inside. As the water and sand and grit comes down through the machine, it collects in the pan and runs down through the center into the coolant tank through the filter paper. This filter paper runs through the machine and is taken up on the back side. So it keeps your coolant clean as you're running the machine. This is the outfeed side of the machine. They've got this rubber here to keep because there's a lot of mist and water when it's wet, when the pump is running. This is where you would crank your paper, take the paper up as it comes through. The other end of the coolant tank. It does have the emergency stop on a cable anywhere around the machine. If you pull the cord or lean on the emergency stop, it stops everything so you don't get hurt, like it just did. I think that's about it. 5 horse main motor, its own coolant, paper filtration. That's about it. Thanks for watching our video.